guys, we got some good news. We found this truck that we like and we're gonna be bidding on it in 30 minutes.
Yeah, it's a GMC 2500 3/4 ton Denali Sierra. It's black and it's located in northern Alabama.
Let's go on the computer and check it out.
Okay, so this is the Copart website, and you can bid on different salvage vehicles. Here's the one I'm bidding on. Click on view all photos. So like I said, it's a 2015 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali. It's got the diesel engine. Has front end damage, no damage anywhere else. It looks like it was hit high, so I'm hoping there's no frame damage because it wasn't hit down here. So I don't know what it could have hit. Maybe went under a 18-wheeler trailer. So looks like I could change the 2 fenders, hood, grill, 2 lights, headlights, new bumper. See, the back is perfect, no issues, good tires. Has 2 blown airbags. They cut the picture off up here, so I can't tell if the side ones are blown. I hope not. That'll be extra $1,000. And what sucks about this one, I think I have to change the whole dash. You can't just change an insert. Inside's perfect. For some reason this is torn off. I don't know what happened here. So that's the front. No pictures of the engine. I guess I couldn't get the hood open. Has 102,000 miles. I think it's a perfect little truck for me. I think I can, with my skill level, I can handle this. I'll probably get somebody else to paint it this time. I don't have the air compressor yet or anything. But here's the deal. It's in Alabama. Alabama is one of the states that you can't bid on it unless you have a dealer's license. So what I had to do, I had to go to AutoBidMaster, that's one of them. I made an account here. You have to put a down payment. See, I'm currently the high bidder at $18,200. 28 minutes left. And then the actual auction starts. This is just pre-bid. It'll probably go up to 22,000. And when you join AutoBidMaster, you get some clear VIN reports. It has a salvage title. They have an estimated repair cost of $32,000. That's no way that's right. I looked at some other ones and it looks like they just put that amount. I don't know why they do that. And the only issue that scares me is title pending. I talked to the general manager there. They said that's common. They submitted all the paperwork to the Alabama DMV and it usually takes 2 weeks. So hopefully I'll get it if I win. So it's a pure sale. So that means whatever it sells for, that's what it sells for. It doesn't have to get approved. It's not a minimum bid. So if it went for $1, I would get it for $1. And that's about it. 27 more minutes. I'm hoping it stays around 2022. It'd be nice if I get it for 18.2. I think I can completely get it back perfect for about 7,000. And then after I get it back to OEM, then I'll start doing my customizations, lift kit, different things, bigger tires, of course. So that's it. I'll let you know in a little bit if I win.
So it's the next day. We did not win the truck. We ran into some problems while bidding for it.
Yeah, so it was my first time bidding, so I guess you can say it's my fault. I called the what's the name of the company? AutoBid or something? Whatever dealer I used, I can't remember the name now, but you have two ways to bid. You have a preliminary bidding, which is 1 week before the auction, up until 1 hour before the live auction. Then you have a live auction. So I was the high bidder, and you gotta have a down payment of 10% of what you expect it to go for. So I had $2,800 down, so I could bid up to $28,000. I bid $18,100 in the preliminary bidding, and I was the high bidder going into the live auction. But the technical glitch is that whenever you're the high bidder going into the live auction and somebody outbids you, now you can only bid what's left in your deposit. So being that I had $2,800 in deposit, now I could only bid up to $9,000. So it kind of locked in my deposit. They didn't really understand it, and they had to research it. And finally, after several emails, they finally figured out the little problem that I guess most people don't do. So you basically need to either bid preliminary or bid live auction. Don't try to do both like I did. So we lost a truck, but you want to tell them the good news?
We found this new truck that we like, and we should be bidding for it when?
It bids, actually the live auction is going on now, but it's so far down the line that it may take 2 hours. So we can show them the new truck. You want to do that?
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at it.
Sold on approval.
All right, we got the computer pulled up. Auction is going on right now. You can see it. So here is the truck that we found for today to bid on. All right, let's see if I can pull up a big picture. It's from Texas. You can see this big Texas grill on it. So we'll probably take that off. And this one don't have any front end damage. I was hoping to get one with front end damage. That way we'd have more content and more stuff to do. But the front end's perfect. The sides are perfect. The damage is in the rear. Probably have to get a whole new bed. This looks like just the tailgate's damaged, but for it to slam up against the cab and make this dent right here, I'm sure this whole side is jacked and it'll never close right. So probably have to get a whole bed, and then this column right here, we'll cut this out, weld a new one in. And other than that, this truck is perfect. And this one has the black interior like we like. The other one had tan interior, which I didn't really care for. But it's clean, it's perfect. No interior issues, no airbags are deployed, so that's over 1,000, maybe 2,000 that we'd have saved, because you have to change the whole dash, the whole top part. Engine is spotless. I don't know if they cleaned it up at the auction or the guy just took that good of care of it, but it's perfect. 112,000 miles.
Bonus time.
So need a bed, need a bumper, and fix the cab. And that's the truck. The Denali has a sunroof. It's a beautiful truck. So we'll let you know in a little bit if we get it.
So unfortunately, we did not win the truck we were bidding on.
Yeah, my max bid for the truck was $27,000, and we ran it up to that. And then a guy came and bid one time after us, and he got it for $27,250. So we missed out.
We're gonna keep looking for some more vehicles, maybe like some Corvettes, some Mustangs.
Yeah, my goal was to start with the truck. That way I can pull a boat, pull a trailer, and plus I needed a truck. So we can always start looking for something else. It doesn't have to be a truck.
But we're not gonna be discouraged just because we didn't get that truck. We'll keep looking.
All right, well tonight we're gonna get back to looking, try to find us something else to bid on.
So in the meantime, make sure you like and subscribe on this video so you don't miss out on our first future build.